Today we're going to do partial product multiplication. When we do partial product, it's important that we realize the numbers we are using are made up from putting other numbers together. So here, the number 46, it's made up of 40 and 6. Because we have 4 tens, we have 4 in the tens place, that's our 40. And we have 6 in the ones place, that's our 6. So 46 is really 40 and 6. And we're going to multiply that times 5. Okay, I already have my t-chart here, so I'm going to do 5 times 6. 5 times 6 is 30. Okay, and we write down the 30. We don't have to carry anything over up here. We just write down the 30. And now we look at 5 times, and here it's not 5 times 4, it's 5 times 40. Okay, now what we do, we use the zero trick for multiplication, so we know that there's 1 0 in the number 40. Okay, so if we look here, there's 1 0. We're going to put that 0 down now. So now we have that 0, it's been held, its place has been taken. So now we can do the base fact of 5 times 4, and we get 20 when we multiply 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20, and we have the 0 on there because it's really 5 times 40. Right? And then we add those together, 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus 0, 3, 2 plus nothing, 2. So 546 times, 46 times 5 equals 230. And now for another example, and this one's going to be a 2-digit times 2-digit example. We're going to stick with 46 so we can kind of see that process again, times 35. Okay, we're going to make a quick t-chart. We already have a t-chart for our 5, so now we're going to make a t-chart for our 3. Just extend that down a little bit. 3 times 0, 0. We got 0, 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Or we can just know our facts. So 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Now, something important to remember to help you check down here at the bottom, if you multiply a fact times 9, the 2 digits that make up the product, if you add those together, you should get 9. So here, 4 plus 5 equals 9. 2 plus 7 equals 9. Or you can use the finger trick, but if we want to make sure this down at the bottom is correct, because that probably means we got it correct all the way through. So now looking at the problem, we start off with 5 times 6. All right, 5 times 6 is 30. All right, now we're going to do 5 times 40 again. We're going to put our 0 down that held the place in our 40. Okay, so that's done. So now we're just doing 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. So we write down 20. So 5 times 40 is 200. Okay, so now we continue on. We're done with the 5. Okay, and now we move over to the 3, but it's not really a 3, it's 30, because here we have 35. So we do 30 times 6. Okay, we put our 0 down to hold our place, and now we can just do the basic fact of 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Okay, and now we do 30 times 40. So we put the 0 down for the 30, put the 0 down for the 40, and now we can do the base fact of 3 times 4, which would equal 12. Okay. and then we add them up. Now notice it's important to keep all of our digits lined up in their proper place value. So here's all my ones place, and they are all zeros. I come over to my tens place. I have 8, 9, 10, 11. I carry my 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1 plus nothing. So if I do 35 times 46, my answer would be 1,610 using multiplication partial product method.